What's happening, guys? We are here to select a winner for this microphone. You guys might remember a few weeks ago, we had a video where we talked about this microphone from 7RYMES. We checked it out. We saw how it did. Awesome little microphone, by the way. Check out the video link above. But today we're going to pick a winner here. Who's going to win one of these microphones? Now, 7RYMES is going to send the winner one of these free of charge. Is going to mail it out to you. So let's get into picking the winner here. So when I set up the contest, I used Gleam, and now we're about to pick a winner. We're looking at the screen here. We got draw winner. So let's go ahead and pick a winner and see who's going to win this mic right here. All right, guys, the moment we've all been waiting for. Who is going to win this microphone by 7RYMES? Hit the drum roll, please. And the winner is Rainy Bergamonte. I apologize if I didn't say your name right, but you are the winner of this microphone from 7RYMES. I'm going to be shooting you an email and copying 7RYMES. They're going to send it out to you free of charge, and you just won this awesome microphone. So congratulations to you. So that wraps up this contest, guys. Thank you for everybody who submitted an entry into the contest. Definitely check back. I'm going to try and run some more contests here in the future. And a huge thank you to 7RYMES for sending this guy out, for me to try out, and for you guys to win. Congratulations to Rainy. Everybody enjoy your day, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Peace!